Hi everyone, happy St. Patrick's Day. If you celebrate, I hope you're having a great day. I am Irish. I'm actually from the south side of Chicago. We're a very Irish community. It saddens me that I am not there today, but it's okay. And it's also my cat baby's birthdays. They're 2 and 3 today. I was gonna try and make them be in this video, but they're like super happy outside right now, and I'm gonna be gone the rest of the day. I'm going to my friend's house, like to go to their pool, eat some food, watch basketball, just drink and eat all day pretty much. So it's still gonna be a good St. Patrick's Day for me. You guys have to let me know in the comment section if you celebrate. I love holidays in general, but St. Patrick's Day has always been a really fun one. So today I'm opening something new to our channel. This is Rebecca's snail mail. So I know I've been opening a lot of stationery subscriptions lately, and it just kind of worked out that way. I don't know, it's like the way they came in the mail. This one was a surprise, so they just sent this to me. So I'm not sure exactly what's in here, but this is what the outer packaging looks like, which is super cute. So I pulled up their website on my phone, so I will read that to you so we can kind of figure out what the box is all about before I open it, because honestly I've never opened it before and I don't know much about it. But before we get started, I just wanted to remind you all that I do have a giveaway going on. It ends in just a few days, and it is to win the new ABH Riviera palette. So I will leave a link in the description box that will lead you to the giveaway video, and you can learn more about there and how to enter and all of that. So let's see. So pulled up their Cratejoy website, so it looks like they are available on Cratejoy. And there are two options. There's Rebecca Mail and Rebecca Snail Mail, and in the pictures they both look similar to this, so I'm not sure what one I received yet. The Rebecca Mail is $20 per month, and it says, "Who loves cute stationery? With Rebecca Mail you will receive 5 note cards, cute pens or pencils, and other fun surprises just for you. All less than what it would cost to buy the cards, plus free shipping in the USA." And then the Rebecca Snail Mail is $12.50, and it says, "This is just the cards. You will receive 5 fun exclusive cards each month at 50% off the cost of the cards. Free shipping in the USA." I just pulled up their frequently asked question page because I wasn't sure if they're shipping elsewhere, because it says free shipping in the USA. And it says, "For now we ship to the USA, Canada, and United Kingdom. We are looking into expanding to other countries in the future. Please note, additional shipping charges apply to international orders." So I will leave the link to this down below in the description box, of course. But anyways, let's get unboxing and see what I got. And see if I got the snail mail or the regular Rebecca Mail. This box is actually created by the same person that makes Lip Service, and also the new Bauble Mail, those earrings I received this month that were super cute. So they have a few subscription options, and I like all of them so far. So I'm definitely excited to see what is in here. So when I open it, this is what I see. So I think I got the actual Rebecca Mail, not the snail mail, which is the cards only. And this is the March 2019 Rebecca Mail, and the theme is "My Thoughts Exactly." And then there's a note on the back, let me read it. It says, "Hello March. It is one of those in-between months. In some parts of the country it is still winter, in others spring is starting. It is one of those months where you never know what to wear on any given day, no matter where you live." I guess here we do. "It is at times like these we can all use a giggle. Hopefully these fun letterboard themed cards designed by Rebecca just for you will do just that. Also in this month's box are fun sticky note sets, washi tape, and Sweet and the Stabilo pen of the month." So there's that card. And under the card, this is what it looks like. I don't want everything to fall out, so I will just pick up the first thing that's on top, and this is the washi tape. I have a few of these now. I need to find some ways to use these. This one's cute. It says it's 5 meters long. Let me open it up and I can show you some. Like, I'm starting to really get a lot of like cute stationery craft stuff, and I need to really use it. Like, I have used this tape stuff before just to like tape things in a cute way, but so this is the pattern. I think this is really cute. But will you guys give me some ideas on what to do with these tapes? Because I have a lot of cute ones now and I need some ideas. I'm sure I can just go on Pinterest or something, but I'd love to hear from you guys. Right, and then there is a cute sucker. This looks like it's like maybe a caramel, I don't know. It's like brown and white, so maybe it's like a caramel type, or I don't know, but it looks good. I know I'm gonna be eating a lot today, so I haven't eaten yet. It's like not even noon. I usually try not to eat till 11 anyways, but just looking at a sucker makes me hungry. I'm such a fatty. I went out to Mexican last night and ate so much. I thought I'd be like good to go until the afternoon, but I'm getting hungry. But anyways, moving on from food. This is super cute. This is like the little note set, I think, little sticky note set. I will take the packaging off so we can kind of look at it better without the reflection. This is super cute. So there's like, okay, 2, 4, there's like 8 little sections of this, and it is, I love it. This is so cute. So there's like little ones that say gift, need, love, want, and to do. So you can kind of just stick these onto things. And this is like a pretty big, so there's 50 sheets of each. I was gonna say, this looks like a lot of sheets. So that's super cute. You can like just use those to label things. And then one says must remember. I like that. And then don't forget. And then one that's like a little list. I am totally going to use these. So they're sticky, which is awesome too. So you don't need to just keep it on one sheet. You could stick these anywhere. So this is awesome. I'm super excited about this. And this is by George Stanley. So there's 5 page flags, 50 sheets each, and then 3 small sticky notes, 50 sheets each. Designed in the USA, made in China. Awesome, that's great. All right, now there looks like there's a bunch of cards. So the first one says, just in case nobody told you today, hello, good morning, you are doing great, nice butt. That's kind of me. Here, let me, in the back it says nice butt. That's funny. So they all come with envelopes. So here's what it looks like. Still a little reflective. This is like good quality paper. It's not just like paper itself. And on the back it says nice butt, and I guess this retail cost of this is $4.50. So that's funny. And the inside's just blank, so you can put whatever you want there. That's funny. All right, and then there's one that says, you can't make everyone happy, you're not tacos. Oh my God, tacos, yeah. So there's that one. And again, this one is $4.50. So yeah, the cards definitely do make the value of this go up. Have you ever gone to the store to get cards? Oh, I'm sure you have. I'm not like big into them. When you go, they're like $8. Like our wedding ones can be like $17 for a freaking card they're just gonna throw away. That's crazy. But anyways, I want buns of steel, but I also want buns of cinnamon. Okay, they're torturing me right now. And again, and then I don't even believe myself when I say I will be ready in 5 minutes. I know, I'm totally running late today. I try and be really timely. I've been way better, like more recently in life with timeliness, but I'm gonna be late to my thing today for sure. But it's early, it's like, you know, I don't know. And then it says, I dusted once, it came back, I'm not falling for that again. These are funny. So, that's really cute. And then it looks like there's like, what is this, a pencil or a pen? But this is what it looks like. Let's see. All right, so it's a pen. Let's see what color it writes. So it looks pink. Yay, it is pink. I love pink. So I just did like a little heart right there. That's so cute. I love pink. I'm such a girly girl. I'm like, pink. Awesome. I'm super excited about this. So let's recap. So we got this like sticky note set, which I think is awesome. The pink pen, the washi tape, which again, that is the pattern. That's cute. And then we got, I think, was it 5 cards? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 cards. So, and then the sucker. So I think this is a cute box. I really like the cards. I get them also in the box, my paper box, and I think those are super cute. I think these are great to have around the house. So I'm super excited to use those eventually, but honestly, I must say I'm most excited about this. This is just super useful, I think. I like that they're sticky. Like I have a bunch of notepads, but I'd like to use these to like stick on my notes, just stick, I don't know. I'm just really big into that kind of stuff. I'm one of those people that needs reminders, so that'll be really useful. So yeah, I think this is a super cute box. If you guys tried this, definitely let me know your thoughts down below. But before I let you guys go today, of course I need to tell you what's on my eyes, and I'm sorry, I did not do anything new today. I'm about to be going into a pool, and I just didn't want anything too crazy because yesterday I used like a pink shade and it kind of stained my lids when I went to bed and took off my makeup, but when I woke up I didn't really notice it. So, and when I washed my face and stuff, I can't tell. Looking in the viewfinder now, which I have not checked the whole time. Hopefully I'm not looking crazy. But here is the palette that I am giving away. Well, this isn't that. I have another palette. This one's my palette. I have a brand new one to give away. This is what it looks like. And today I did my favorite look from this palette. Of course it's neutral because I'm boring, but I used Estate in my crease, and then I built up the crease with this beautiful mustard I love. I don't have anything else like this in my collection, Cabana. And then I used the brown shade Palm all over my lid, and then I put a little bit of Yacht in the center of my lid. And then just throw in some mascara. Oh, and I'm wearing the earrings I got yesterday that I didn't try on in my Rocksbox video, so if you guys want to check that out, I really like these. I think they're super cute. Probably gonna have to take them off because they said not to wear them in water. Well, that's just jewelry in general, and I don't want to lose them, but because they're so cute. But anyways, I hope you guys are all having a lovely day. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.